Eddie Murphy versus Martin Lawrence. One has to leave and take their films, take everything with them.
Everything they've done. Well, what
Except
about movies
Life.
they're in? Okay, I was gonna say, what about movies they're in together?
Life is the exception because that's one of the greatest movies, period, and they're both in it.
I'm keeping Eddie Murphy.
I'm keeping Martin Lawrence. Tell me why.
Eddie Murphy has one of the best comedy specials, one of the most well-known Eddie Murphy Raw to this, where he's wearing the red. Martin Lawrence as a comedian has nothing up to par with that.
I would agree with that. I would like to rebuttal and say Martin Lawrence has one of the best shows of his timeline.
Facts.
Of his era.
I'm going to agree.
And Eddie Murphy does not have a fucking show.
He does not have a show.
So, 1 for 1. Let's go.
One. Acting, Eddie Murphy's funnier. Eddie Murphy was the funnier one in life.
Funnier?
Yes. Eddie Murphy was the funnier one in life.
That's... No.
The upper room.